3, 2, 1.
I really haven't rode it forever. Yeah, it's been about 6 months since I've been at Six Flags Over Texas, but we're finally back. And there's Mr. Freeze again. It's nothing you haven't seen. Runaway train. I did not ride this, but this is the Aquaman Power Wave that has like a 2-hour-long wait time. As said, I rode Mr. Freeze, Batman the Ride. Nothing new to you guys that have been here for years. And then I rode Runaway Mine Train, which is one of the jerkiest rides here, but it's like half a century old. But back at SFOT.